Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can enable button method of taking screenshot. Usually, for taking screenshot, you will use power button and volume down button together. If you press these buttons together, screenshot will be taken. But if it's not working, then you have to change some settings in your phone. For that, go to the settings in your phone here and click on system settings, and here select screenshot, and here you go to enable this button, power and volume down buttons. Just enable it and screenshot will be taken now if you press power button and volume down button together. Now screenshot is taking. So in this way you can easily enable power button method of taking screenshot in your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.